Okay, then we will just add the what we're getting from the list to the to what we'll get. So that's how we'll do it. So this is it. Then we get to the value as it is fulfilled. So we get, let's call it movies, because we are actually within the actually calling the movies. It will return collection of movies to us. So let's call this movie API list. So now, okay, let's maybe call this upcoming movies. Upcoming movies. Okay. So we then assign these upcoming movies to the movies we are getting there. Movies that value equivalent to upcoming movies. Another thing one might want to do, okay, let's just try this first and I'll show you how to catch the results and make sure we don't always fetch it each time we navigate. But this at the moment we'll be fetching all the time. So once this is done, you come here. Okay, I think this is done. Okay. So let's try and refresh now to see if it's working fine. Okay. Currently we are working on the Explore view, so let's go there. Explore view. Okay. Our internet is currently turned off. Let me turn it on. Okay. So let's refresh it. And we're supposed to get some values. Having refreshed it. So let's see the errors you're getting. Saying component movies list is not yet registered. Okay. So let's go register that. Okay. So let's read the error again to be sure of where it's request for registration. I can't find the place anyway. I think it should be in the current component. So let's register it here. It's a component. Components, it's not there. Computed, it's there. Okay. Let's see where it is actually. Should be okay. I see. Should we? Okay, I think we didn't register it. Let's go through it. It's here, but it's not registered. So if you check, you see it's only appearing once. So let's go to the top and register it. Import should be at the import session. Import movie list view. That should That should do the magic. Movies list view says we need a type of movies. Said what? It's talking about the types, the type mismatch. Let's see if there's a type mismatch. Um, what type did we say we are needing here? Let's confirm. Movies, okay, that's the problem. So it's supposed to be this way. And once it's this way, movies as type. Okay. Let's go back to our type definition here. Interface. Do we have results there? Sure, there are. We have results. Results does not exist on movie type. Movies type. Okay. Movies type. Okay, sorry, I think that's the issue. Movies API type. So these already giving us a collection. So definitely it's correct. We have to remove this for it to work. And we come here. Okay, there's red arrow or is rather. Okay. And we remove this. It's not giving us this. So what other error do we have? Undefined is not assignable to this. So do v if. Let's do type of movies is not equal to undefined. Okay, let's just wrap this for now. Maybe put in a template. Yeah, see, we'll pick this out. Once it's not equal to undefined, we can then say, okay, we are sure that here. What is this? Type partial read only. Okay. If let's use is equal to movies API. What do we have here? Movies API type. Okay. Okay, to fix that, just need to let's remove this in the first place. Let's remove this. Let's go back to this place. It's saying that's okay. It was initially like this, so we just have to remove error that can make only movies to be there. Let's say v if movies type of movies